Hey everyone, it's Fariel at TechMetric, and in this video, I'm going to be reviewing how the estimate and invoice will look to your customers if you have this setting enabled for your engine and oil filter smart job. So before I go ahead and enable this, let's quickly review how it shows today if you do not have this setting turned on. So in this example, I have a package price up to 5 quarts of oil, and you'll notice the package price adjustment on labor discount line here for $28.34. When I go to the estimate link, you'll notice that the discount line shows right over here. And if I go ahead and approve it, it will also show in your total RO discounts at the bottom. In this example, it's $31.79 because we do have about a $3 discount just on the RO here at the bottom. Now, if I go to the setting and enable this, we will actually hide these package price discount lines on your customers' digital and printed estimate and invoices. So now I'm going to go ahead and click save, and you'll notice this little eye icon indicating that these were hidden on your customers' digital and printed invoice and estimates for your service writers. Now when I go and select authorize, you'll notice that the original $28 discount line is no longer showing, and we just automatically do the math on the total for the labor in this example because my discount was on labor. Now, when I go and approve it, you'll also notice at the bottom in the RO discount section, you do not see that $28 discount. It's now showing the $345 we just have as an RO discount. Now I'm going to go ahead and click authorize. And now you'll see it on the invoice real quick. So I'm going to also just print the invoice so you guys can see this example. And same thing here, you'll notice it is 616 as the labor line. You do not see the labor line discount, and same scenario at the RO discount level here at the bottom. So that is how you can remove these package price discounts if you would like for your customers. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact support. Have a wonderful day.